So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some shop reviews, giving you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your shops on the way to creating the perfect Redbubble shops. I'll be going through some of your submissions. So if you're ready for this video, please do drop a like. And with that said, let's jump straight into it. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand shops. Now, if you're new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. We've actually helped a lot of people to get their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. And for those who don't already know, down in the description, I also have a free print-on-demand starter guide that features a lot of the information that I use to make my first online sales through sites like Redbubble. And if you are someone who's looking to turn this into more of a serious thing, maybe into more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below in the description. Now, before I do jump into these reviews, I just want to say, if you're watching this and you want your shop to be reviewed in a future episode, the link for that is down in the description. It's a little form that you guys could quickly fill out so I can have the links to your shops to potentially feature them in one of these episodes. There's currently a lot of shops at the moment, but I'm doing my very best to get through as many of them as possible. Kicking us off today, we have Ye188. This person with the submission, they also let me know that they've had one sale on kids clothing. So I'm guessing that they're just looking for a little bit more advice on how to keep getting more sales, which is something we should hopefully be able to do. I mean, the banner looks good and then the logo doesn't look too bad as well. But what I usually say when it comes to shop design, try to simplify it a little bit more and try to make things match up as well. Without talking too much on the banner and logo side of things, I can see that they've got a healthy 416 designs. That's very impressive. So it's good to see someone who puts that much effort. And I really like giving advice to shops like this because there's usually like little things that they're not doing that could help them to start getting the sales they are looking to get. They have a featured collection at the top, which is always good to see. And I'm guessing this is a featured collection of something that has been trending. So it's good to see that they're trying to, bring more traction to this certain collection of things that may be trending. And a lot of the designs are text-based. And for those who don't know, text-based designs are probably the easiest designs to make and most likely the most time efficient if you want to make a lot of designs in a short space of time. So I'm enjoying the fact that obviously they're making good use of that. They've even got some sticker packs in there, which is good to see. One thing that I am seeing though that will need improving is the transparency not being there on designs like this. So as you can see, there's a black square, and obviously that black square takes away from the design looking as good as it would. If I was to make this design myself, I would actually make the text black and make sure that it's not in a black box like this, as I feel like it just looks a little bit more professional and there's a higher chance of people potentially buying that design from you. And before I actually go into an actual design, I'm seeing that they've got 1,571 favorites, which is insane. Usually I don't come across people that have this amount of favorites, but I'm guessing because they have so many designs, obviously the favorites have come from that. So I'm going to go in the nurse design, which if I'm correct stands for male nurse. And yep, they've put nurse as just the title. Usually what I would do if I was creating a title within this niche, I would put nurse, male nurse, funny quote or something like that, just so I have a lot of keywords nailed into the title just to help with the search, because you just need to try to think of as many things that people could potentially search when looking for this kind of design, and you want to kind of put that information in your title. Really does help. And as for the description, I always say if you can't think of a description that features a lot of keywords, just put your title in the description as well, tweak it a little bit just so you have keywords there. And then finally going into the tags, I'm seeing they've got nurse, male nurse, nursing student, nursing. Okay, they've got a lot of things that are related there, which is good to see. And especially with things like this within the kind of nurse niche, I would go on the search to put nurse to see if there's anything trending. As we can see best school nurse ever. This is something that I would then add into my tags because it's trending under nurse, and it will just help my designs to get out there. So if you're watching this, Yiwen, try that, and yeah, you might even be able to get yourself a couple of extra sales on your design that I'm seeing here. You may actually be able to get yourself a couple of extra sales on the design that I just saw there. Moving us on to the next shop, we have HappyRuthie. Now, this shop has a more preserved design to it, which looks pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. 104 designs, so they're also over the 100 design mark, which is always good to see. And they have a featured collection that I can see there, a gardening collection, which surprisingly enough is a very popular niche when it comes to Redbubble. They've got more collections, which is always good to see. And then it's another shop with a lot of text-based designs. Text-based designs are really good to do, and I'm seeing they've even created some scalable designs. So I'm seeing proud grandpa of a 2021 graduate, and then obviously it's literally same design. They've changed the grandpa to sister to mom, papa, uncle. That's something that can actually save you a lot of time, allowing you to create a lot of designs in a short space of time for people that aren't already doing that. Looking through the shop, obviously they've got some sticker packs, they've got some stickers, well, a lot of stickers from what I can see here, and overall it looks fairly interesting. They've got 19 favorites, so they're most likely still looking to be found. So let's go on this design here, proud mom of a graduate. Very interested to see how many things they actually have in regards of the tags. And yeah, this just reminds me, before I go into the tags on this shop, the last shop we were just on, I didn't actually see how many products they have activated. So they pretty much have all the products activated. So yeah, Yiwen, keep doing what you're doing there. Just make sure you take away the black boxes from your designs with text. Back to this shop anyway, so HappyRuthie. Looking at the design, this is activated once again on everything, which is good to see. Everyone seems to be on the ball now when it comes to activating their products, which is good to see. Tag wise, 2021 graduates, 2021 graduation, class of 2021. Yep, she's done a great job with the tags as well. They're tags that can be easily changeable as well moving forward, depending on obviously which niche you're linking this to. And to do the title, proud mom of a 2021 graduate. Now, if I was to search this, I'm going to see if I can search it really quick. I feel like the competition may be quite high now, because I feel like a lot of people have jumped into this niche. Yeah, it's just under 2,000 now. What I would do, I'll check to see if there's any other keywords that are in this niche that I could potentially go into by slightly changing my title. Now, for example, it says proud mom of a 2021 graduate. You might then put proud mom of a science. Let's put science 2021 graduate. So let's say you start playing around with different subjects. You then drop the results drastically or dramatically from what I can see here. And yeah, just changing, you know, a simple word in the equation could allow you guys to have a lot less competition. And this is something that you guys should be trying to do if you're not doing so already. And yeah, just going back to this shop, so HappyRuthie, you're doing a great job in regards of your tags and your titles. It's just if you're seeing that there's a lot of competition, when you search up your title, you may need to add an extra keyword or change things up just a little bit to give you that little bit less of competition, to make life easier for yourself moving forward when you're trying to get sales. Moving us on to our next shop, we have this shop right here, and this shop is called Real Apparel Co. Now, the banner and the logo don't match so much, but the banner does look pretty cool. I always mention that because I personally feel like kind of the theme of your shop is something that can stick in a customer's head and have them returning. So it's always good to kind of have things matching up. Collection wise, they don't have a featured collection, which is something they can add there. Got quite a few collections, which is always good to see. And in regards of products, I'm seeing a range of products, mainly masks, some t-shirts, stickers, greetings cards. They're even using sticker packs. And yeah, I feel like this person is doing a great job in regards of product selection, in regards of creating sticker packs. The only thing I'm not seeing much of that's a bit of a hidden product is kids clothing. They have 288 favorites, which is good to see. And I didn't even mention the designs, 733. This person is doing a great job, if you ask me. And this is something that they definitely need to keep up with, because I feel like a lot of good could come from this kind of shop. Right, I'm gonna click on this design. Let's see how they've gone about everything. So titled, "Women Belong in All Places Where Decisions Are Being Made," color. Okay, oh, I feel like this is something that may have been trending in regards of how many products this is activated on. 92 products. So once again, like everyone else, near enough everything has been activated here. And scrolling below tag wise, a lot of tags in there. Some of those tags I feel could cause copyright problems, so that's something they may need to double check. But in regards of the design itself, title looks good, but yeah, they may just need to double check their tags and use slightly less, as Redbubble themselves even recommend 15 tags. Now yeah, this person's actually doing a great job. As I've been saying, they just need to keep up what they're doing and yeah, work on their tags a little bit more. And I feel like moving forward, this will make life a lot easier for them in regards of managing their shops. And then next up, we have Drinkie Simple banner, which looks pretty cool. And then a logo that I'm pretty sure is pretty much the same as the banner. Only 22 designs, so there's not too much that could be said here, but I'll still do my best to try help. There are 15 favorites, and in regards of the products they're working with, mainly t-shirts, phone cases. For new Redbubble sellers, I also suggest trying to look into, you know, kids clothing, greetings cards, face masks, sticker packs. Those things do really well, and it's always good to double check your designs for any sort of copyright infringements so they don't get taken down. Not too sure if Demon Slayer is something that has copyright infringement on, but through seeing these designs and how they look like cartoons, if this person has not made this cartoon themselves, this may be something that is falling into the copyright infringement side of things. So this is something this person will definitely need to work on. I'm gonna quickly click on design. So straight away, I know this is something that will definitely fall under copyright infringement, because the little TJ, I'm pretty sure that's an artist, I think it's a rapper. In regards of designs, activated products, even they've only got 28 products, so there's a lot that needs to be improved on this shop. They need to be making sure that they're copyright checking everything. They need to be making sure that they're not using too little in regards of activated products. Once they start doing this, so the person running this shop, I would say submit your shop for a shop review again, and I would be more than happy to review it. And then finishing us off today, we have the moon and back. Nice banner, nice logo, nice theme to the whole store, if you ask me. 492 designs from what I can see here, featuring a featured collection of sticker packs, which is always great to see. And I noticed I said featured quite a few times there. Nevertheless, they have more collections there, and then more really cool looking sticker packs and designs from their shops. A lot of these designs look like Vexel style designs, so if this person's using Vexels, shout out to them, because the designs look pretty cool. They have 84 favorites at the moment, and I feel like there's a lot of potential here, especially with 492 designs. I'm gonna go on this dinosaur design because I feel like I can give them a little bit of insight on something they may not have, you know, thought of doing. So they've titled this Dinosaur, Dino, Dinos, T-Rex, Raptor. Now, what I'd advise is to search, obviously, the keywords, so dinosaur or dino, to see if there's anything trending. So I'm seeing here, obviously, Dino Pack is trending. So you may want to have Dino Pack in your title somewhere. Or if we scroll a bit further down, if you got Dino Pack in your tags, you don't, so you might want to be looking for little things like that to give you that extra boost, because your shop has a lot of designs that can get you a lot of sales. And I feel like those things will give you that slight edge, that competitive advantage. And then looking at how many products activated, should be able to see it fairly easily, but for whatever reason I can't find the section. If they don't have over 90 plus products activated, that's something they can definitely work on. From what I'm seeing here in regards of the description's got a lot of keywords, which is vital in regards of getting found. And yeah, this person just needs to keep doing what they're doing, but just looking for those additional little extras when it comes to the titling of things. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this episode of shop reviews. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I look forward to seeing your submissions, to reviewing more shops, and to giving you guys tips and tricks. So yeah, if you are looking forward to that as well, please do drop a like. If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe. And finally, if you made it to this point of the video, comment down more reviews and I'll try to respond to as many of you guys as possible. At the end of the day, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.